Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with some PS4 games. The first of three, and we're going to play Wheel of Fortune.
Sony Pictures Studios, it's America's Game.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for tonight's hosts?
Hello, everyone. How are you? Good to see so many people here. I hope you're all well. It says here, how are you doing today? Thank you for joining us today. This is our $1,000 toss-up round. The category is character. If you think you know the answer, please go ahead.
Bugs Bunny and Roadrunner.
It's time for a toss-up round for $2,000. The category is movie title. Contestant number 1.
The Legend of Tarzan.
Should I keep smiling for the camera? No? Okay, let's get going. Let's go ahead and start the round. The category is living thing. Contestant number 1, go ahead and take the first spin. Contestant number 1, go ahead.
Oh,
Contestant
crap.
number 2, it's your chance.
I wanted to spin. I'm not paying attention.
700. Yes, we have some teas. Don't go and spend all that at once now. $650. No, we don't seem to have any of those. Oh. Wow, $2,500. Do we have any of those? No, I'm sorry. $600. We have 1 R. Don't go spend that all at once now. $700. We have one N. Good job. Keep that going, and you'll be heading home a winner. If you'd like to buy, we have one E. Wild card. Yes, we have some L's. Did you pick up that wild card for us? Don't forget you have that wild card. Would you like to use it? $500. We have one S. Well, that is a healthy amount to add. Just a quick reminder, if you'd like, yes, we have some A's. $550. We have one C. That's a fair bit of cash you picked up. Don't forget you have that. We can certainly buy it. We have one I. You can certainly. We have one U. Sure, we have one O.
Oh!
Incredible.
Oh!
We could have another $1 million winner. We have one D. You know, I think you're going to be paying for dinner later, right? Don't forget you have that wild card. Contestant number 1, your chance to solve. Wow, that is incredible. How did you come up with that? Good to see our contestants are so eager to play. Shouldn't keep them waiting, so let's get going. Let's get this round started. The category is proper name. Contestant number 2, why don't you go ahead and take the first spin. $700. We have one S. Great job. That's quite a bit of cash in your pocket now. $600. We have one W. Don't go spend that all at once. You've certainly got the money. We have one I. If you'd like to buy a vowel, we have one O. Wow, not a single one on the board. I'm sorry. $700. Unfortunately, that's not what we need. Contestant number 1, please solve.
New York Knicks.
Wow, that is incredible. How did you come up with that? We have a prize round now. The winner will be picking up something extra today. The category is Thing. Contestant number 3, go ahead and take the first spin. Get out of there! $700. Will we get any help on this? It seems we're out of luck. It's so close. Yes, we have some R's. Just a quick reminder now. Sure, you can buy. Yes, we have some E's. $700. We have one TV. That's a lot of money you won. I just want to remind you that you have a chance to use your wild card. $700. We have one N. I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight. As always, I want contestant number 1. Go ahead.
Engraved charm bracelet.
That was a great game you had. You picked up plenty of cash. You also picked up a trip to Egypt.
Are you ready to see the Great Pyramids? How about the Alexandria Library? Then come with us to Egypt, sail down the Nile like a pharaoh, and see the splendor of the Valley of the Kings. It's $7,320.
Let's start a toss-up round for $3,000. The category is, what are you doing?
None of your business! Peeing on you and getting away with it.
Why don't you go
Reading
ahead
a travel
and tell us
guide.
the answer?
Speed up.
Let's go ahead and start the round. The category is thing. Here goes one last spin. We have one R. Great job. That's quite a bit of cash in your pocket now. Contestant number 1, would you like to... Do we have any of those? No, I'm sorry. Wow, not a single one on the board. I'm sorry. Yes, we have some T's. No small amount of cash there to help you out. Contestant number... We have one S. That's a lot of money you won there. Contestant number 2, your chance to... Unfortunately, there are none on the board. I'm sorry. Unfortunately, there are none on the board. I'm sorry. No, we don't seem to have any of those. I'm sorry, there are none on the board. We have one L. Not bad. You've got quite a bit of money now. Contestant number 1, would you like to solve? Yes, we have some I.
Oh, wait a minute. Well...
Contestant number 2, your chance to solve. Wow, not a single one on the board. I'm sorry. Yes, we have some C's.
Static electricity.
No small amount of cash there to help you out. Contestant number 1, would you like to solve? To be honest, I wasn't sure how you were going to solve this one. Our lucky contestant looks eager to start the bonus round, so let's get over there.
The N and spin.
I'm going to ask you to come with me now. Thing. There are 6 letters we can give you. R, S, T, L, N, and E. Let's see what kind of help we can get.
Oh, I got this.
I'm going to ask you to go ahead and pick 3 more consonants and a vowel.
M, C, D,
I
I.
just want to remind you that you have a chance to
V.
use your wild card. Wow, you
Music
made
video.
that look easy. Just a few moments to solve, so go quickly. Wow, you won.
Oh,
this
34
round.
grand. All right.
Prize is, well,
I was hoping for the
we have
million,
with
but
this
that's
one.
okay. So I won $69,370. See you all for another game.